North America Manipur Tribal Association spreads false narrative of current crisis in Manipur. Join hands with pro-Khalistanis to blame Hindus for carrying out ethnic cleansing of tribals. Since the beginning of the ethnic clash in Manipur on May 3rd, certain sections of media and other organizations funded by foreign countries have been trying hard to portray a false narrative of the violence at the global level. They have been trying to show to the world that the turmoil is an effort to carry out ethnic cleansing of a particular community. According to a report published in the Organizer, a false narrative has been built stating that the Meitei Hindus are in the process of cleansing Christian tribals from the hills of Manipur. However, it is false and that the ethnic clash in Manipur is between Meiteis and Kukis. The report further states that Naga-inhabited Ukhrul, Chandel, Senapati and Tamenglong districts continue to remain peaceful. The Christian Nagas of Manipur have already come out openly to state that the Kuki militants have repeatedly provoked the Nagas. Tangkhul Nagalong, TNL, a large Naga civil society organization, had already condemned harassment caused by Kuki militants to the Naga civilians. Warning was also issued to the well-armed Kuki militants for causing hardship to the Naga civilians, telling them not to repeat such act ever again. Amidst all this, a Kuki Zo body by the name of North America Manipur Tribal Association, NAMTA, based in USA, has been indulging in a campaign to spread false narrative against Hindus of India in America and the rest of the world. Organizer further reports that NAMTA supports the Khalistan movement and has been spreading hate stories against Indian government and Hindus. President of Canada chapter of NAMTA, 𝐍𝐀𝐌𝐓𝐀, had spoken on the Manipur crisis at the Suri Gurudwara. 𝐍𝐀𝐌𝐓𝐀 used the event to wrongly inform the audience that the Manipur ethnic clash involved violence between a majority and a minority community, and only the 𝐍𝐀𝐃 tribe suffered. He did not mention the killings of Meitei Hindus by the 𝐍𝐀𝐃s. The video had gone viral. Khalistani terrorist 𝐻𝐑𝐆𝐻 Nijjar was the president of Suri Gurudwara. He was shot dead by unidentified people in June. His killers are yet to be identified. However, the Canada government had blamed India for the killing and India had rejected it. This has caused trouble in the India-Canada diplomatic relationship. Speaking at the Gurudwara, 𝐍𝐀𝐌𝐓𝐀 appealed to the Canadian government to condemn the violations of human rights in India. He also appealed to the Sikh community supporting Khalistan movement to lend a helping hand in the protest rallies organized in the US and Canada in connections with the current crisis in Manipur. The report in Organizer further states that the link-up of Kuki Jo tribes and pro-Khalistani radicals will cause serious security concerns in India. People have begun questioning why NIA isn't taking up any suo motu case in the campaigns organized by members of Kuki Jo tribes in the US and Canada, along with the support of pro-Khalistani radicals against India and Manipur and against the Hindus. It may be mentioned that on the sidelines of the recently held 54th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva, spokespersons of COCOMI, Khuraism Athoba's mic was turned off by the moderator, who was a Lebanon Christian, at a small event organized by an Evangelical Society of USA, along with NAMTA, when Athoba tried to portray the right picture of the crisis in Manipur, after a Paite women activist alleged that the Hindu Meiteis were carrying out crimes against Christians in Manipur.
मणिपुर के पीड़ित लोगों को लेकर आप हमारे साथ खड़े होने का आप सबको निमंत्रण है। हमें एक बेहतर दुनिया के लिए एक साथ लड़ने में आपका सहयोग चाहिए। जब हम साथ खड़े होंगे तो कोई हमें जुल्म का शिकार नहीं बना सकता। ये मेरी आपसे विनती है। वाहिगुरू जी की खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।